My name's Bronwyn.
James.
We are a creative couple living in the mean streets of Toorak, and we are going to embark on a kitchen renovation, which is going to be really exciting because we have absolutely no idea what we're doing. If we had a DIY renovation show, it would be called The Spuds. We've been wanting to update the kitchen since literally the day we moved in. We really like to cook and we really like to cook together, and it's very difficult to have two people preparing food in here at the same time. The cupboard doors have fallen off and the ones that are still on are very ugly. So we've partnered up with Kaboodle and we're gonna give it a facelift. What we want out of the new space is better functionality, better flow, and more storage and bench space, of course. We're also using the Kaboodle paint your own doors option, which is really fun. We get to pick a colour that's really unique to us and allows us to put our own personal stamp on the space.
We use the Taubman's Colorsmith reader, which is pretty easy to use.
Yeah, and lots of fun actually. You just scan colours in the environment, whatever colour inspires you. There's this one walk in particular that James and I do quite often. There are a row of olive trees that are just so gorgeous. It's that kind of dusty green, and I just find it really soothing and calming, and I really want that for our new space.
Kaboodle has this really easy tool called the 3D Kitchen Planner.
It really allows you to visualize your space and get a good sense of what it's going to look like when everything's in.
So the next stage is demolition. You can't wait.
Follow along with our renovation. Catch us in the next video. We'll see you there.